Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working guys on a Dodge Dart 10. We'll show you guys if your OBD port where you plug in your scanner doesn't work, doesn't power up guys, what to look for and which fuse to check. Stay with us, we're going to show you how to fix that. Quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos guys on Dodge Dart and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful now. If you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see guys where you can buy car parts and tools for super good price and fast shipping as well. So let's go ahead guys, start on it, and we'll explain where you can expect to find that fuse. Now I've heard many shops, okay, sometimes will actually remove that fuse. Why? So you cannot diagnose your car on your own. I don't know if it's true or not. We had to replace a few in the past on different cars guys, but not on this one. So everything was working fine the other day. I was doing diagnostics and then all of a sudden the port did not power up at all guys. This one right here, the diagnostic port. So I was like, okay, need to check the fuse. Maybe it's a bad fuse. Sometimes a bad scanner will burn your fuse as well. It really depends. It really depends guys on so many factors. So you have three fuse boxes. One is under the hood, okay, you have one right here which is the BCM module guys. Okay, this is your BCM module, and you have one next to the steering wheel. Okay, it's kind of like right here behind that, so we will explain where that one is now guys. So how you guys know which fuse it is? Let me show you quick. I'm going to go underneath. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Super good deal, and you get a free fuse puller as well. We'll be using that one by the way. So let me show you now, okay, where those fuses are located. If I go underneath now by the brake pedal, okay, all the way underneath, and you look right here guys, that's where your fuses are located. Okay, now for me it's impossible to show you guys which fuse to check and what to do. So what I'll do now, okay, we're going to, I remove the cover here so I can show you from this angle. Pretty simple. We'll have somebody hold, okay, hold the light, and we'll hold the camera right here as well. Okay, perfect. Maybe a little bit up, okay, like that. And if I access the fuses from this side, okay, you can see them really good. That's great. So the fuse that we're looking at now guys, okay, it will be actually, let me show you now, we'll be on the third row, okay, from left to right, 1 2 3, and then we need to go guys, okay, to the fourth fuse, 1 2 3, fourth fuse from top to bottom, or the second from bottom to top. So this fuse right here, I'll go ahead guys and replace it with a new one. So this is the fuse, so you just grab it with the fuse puller, okay, and it comes out. So this is pretty simple guys. I get the new fuse and we push it in. Now this is guys the fuse. This is the fuse for your OBD port, and make sure that, okay, it goes in as it should, okay, when you install it, because sometimes, okay, they might go a little bit sideways, so make sure everything's good. In our case it's perfect guys. And if your OBD port doesn't work, that's the fuse guys that you need to check, because this is the fuse that can cause guys, okay, lost communication. And as I said, sometimes bad scanner will actually cause that fuse to burn. Sometimes guys, I've heard people actually removing those, so people, dealerships and stuff, so people cannot diagnose the car on their own and not to mess with it. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.